So hey guys, welcome back to you all to this channel. Today we have a new project. It's called CXTR Exchange. It is an exchange like Binance, Bybit, OKX. The last time we did this kind of project, we earned free airdrop. So CXTR Exchange, they build fast. You can see their exchange is running. Even the deposit, you can see my balance. I deposited some few to test the app, but it is quite working. So they are giving out XTR airdrop. Let me show you. They are giving out XTR airdrop coins to those who register and do KYC for free. You get 100 coins. If you click on profile on the reward hub, if you check this, just click this. You'll be able to see. You register, you do KYC, you get 100 CXTR. So let me show you guys the last time we did this kind of airdrop. Guys, this is the last time we did another project called uh, TT Exchange. So TT Exchange gave us CTC 100 coins. So the current price of CTC is around, I think, 0.5. So we got some few money from that exchange. So I can tell you this is a legit project. You can earn these rewards. So let me take you to the website where you will register. All the links are in the description and in the comments. Register. So you input your email, your password, and leave the referral code how it is. Then click I am not a robot, sign and create account. After you create, so after you have registered, log into you can download the app. It's simple, or you can log in through the website. So the best part is you download the app so that you can be able to use it well. So click on your menu, click on rewards. If you click on reward, you'll be able to see all these rewards you can participate. So click on register, do KYC here. You'll be able to do KYC. So it's only take I think 24 hours. After 24 hours, you're done. You'll be able to claim your rewards. So and also you can invite your friends. You can deposit. If you deposit 15 USDC or equivalent, just deposit $15, get 50 CTR, trade with that $15, get another 50 CTR, trade another margin with 50. So you are going to get a lot of rewards here free. And also guys, they are doing we are going to check their Twitter. They are doing so they are doing their pre-sale soon. So want to check your rewards, click on portfolio. You'll be able to see your spot balance. If you have deposited the $15, it's not a must to deposit. If you deposit any, you'll be able to see your tokens here. So and also your rewards token. Remember guys, though these rewards you are going to receive here, they will be unlocked 100%. So don't worry about that. You can see the project is good. The exchange is working. So that's how you register. You do KYC and receive free coins. Those free coins may be worth even $100. You never know. So make sure to join this project as soon as possible. So if we check on their Twitter channel, so as you can see on their Twitter channel, not they don't have many followers because it is a new project. So as you can see, 3 days ago they said our CXTR pre-sale is approaching. So if you go and check the white paper, you'll see that they have a pre-sale, and this project is very huge. You can participate in the pre-sale if you want. So that's how you participate for free and get rewarded. So make sure to join, and all the links are in the description or in the comment. So goodbye for now.